Got him? Oh, right in the side too. Just won a cheeky scissors paper rock, so he had to go get the boat. I do feel a little bad. Look at that cloud up there, that's weird. But yeah, we're getting in the boat. We'll explain to you why in a minute, but it has to do with selfish mega yacht pricks. Actually, that pretty much says it. You wouldn't steal someone's choice in colourful wine. That moon is fucking... I'm fucking perturbed. I hate it. It's scaring me, cunt. He's got to come back for it, surely, cunt. He smashed that. This light on, guys. We've got a shark on, guys. 100%. Another shark. Let's go. I reckon he's got it. What do you think? Yep. Nice, brother. Nice. Great hook up. That's how you do it. Nice bull shark, that one, I reckon. He's there. He's there.
No escape.
No, there is no escape.
I'm off to 25!
Hey?
We're
on the yes! Let's go!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, no, good exercise,
I'm thinking bull, but the bump, it has to be a bull.
bro. Got bumped fucking 6 times.
I don't know how the fuck that one ended up on the anchor, but sometimes it be how it be. Size predictions.
1617.
1617?
It's a great first run, but not a lot after it. Yeah, I'm on the 100, he'd only be about 20-30 metres away.
Cheers, my dude.
She's been in quite a few hours, to be honest.
Hooking them on the boat there's a different kind of fun to it, hey?
Different feel.
Yeah.
There's a different
Oh,
feel.
those head shakes. Holy shit.
you
Oi,
gotta
this
watch
thing
them.
is sexy, bro. Yeah, this thing feels sexy.
The 25.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to get me one of these. What'd you pay for this bad boy?
Oh, I bought a brand new bike.
Brand new. Oh, true.
Yeah, so with line, rod, reel, everything was about 400. But legit, the next 2 days later, I see one on Marketplace for 180 bucks.
That's crazy. With a rod. Is it still there?
spooled.
Is it still there?
Oh, I don't know.
I'll have to have a look.
Yes, boys.
Fuck
What a
yeah,
trip.
man.
We
This
had
is
to get one
fly.
for the night, didn't
Yeah,
we?
oh, for sure, for sure.
That's the one.
So he's not too far then?
Not in a good way though. What we got? About 1.7. About 1.7 bull.
Too easy.
Hold on to me, fella.
There you go, you want it? Oh, yours, mate. 1.7 ball.
Yeah, I was a bit sort of.
And that will give us an opportunity to get a tag in it and also get the hook out nice and safe. Not, hey? Yeah, I wasn't going to tell the camera that, but you fucking ruined it.
We have heaps of tags. 1.8, 6 foot, yeah. I'll get the guys, bro.
Yeah, bro. Righto, guys, we'll do the rest of this work. It's much easier on the high tide because you don't have to get it up a drop off. They kind of just swim in for you. Beautiful bull shark. I think that's a bull. Yeah, it looks like a bull. Got him?
Not yet.
Oh, right in the side too.
That young be about 1.6.
Yeah, he's a beauty. He's got an albino remora on him. Do you see that? On that side. What the fuck? Albino remoras. Truly never know what you're going to see at Stradbroke Island, I'll tell you what.
Gotcha! How good's that hook? Watch your fingers, cunt. He's kicking.
He's not hooked.
He's not
fucking,
getting
it's
back.
coming out very easily. Ready? Easy. Fuck off.
Mate.
Look at that, even he's got shark rash on himself. What's going on there? Must have rubbed up against something. Hit the boat maybe? Male? Male. Wow, all males tonight, guys. Everything's been male.
Come to the surface for a second.
Beautiful shark. Beautiful shark.
Come on,
Should be rearing. He was dealt with pretty quick.
come on. One of these ones. One of those. That's what I want. Yep. No.
No good. There we go. Now we're talking. There we go. Oh, nice, brother. Let's go.